Out here down at the ocean waiting for Hurricane Matthew. Got some people here with their dog running around. A lot of our ocean front. Oh, there's a guy sitting and enjoying the wind. People coming off to the beach the day before the hurricane. The National Guard's issuing evacuation. Most people have listened, other people have not. And they're just enjoying their time here at the beach. For the winds to come. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's an angry ocean out there. Still, it's so beautiful. Those waves, the wind is beautiful. It's chilly and invigorating and very pretty. I don't know if this is going to be the same picture later on.